Ha!
Hey, get away, Belbo. You're steaming up the lens.
Bilbo, is that what we call him?
Belbo.
We got another John coming over.
Walker!
We got another John coming over, so we have to play.
Walker!
He ain't coming out there. He's in the doghouse.
I don't blame him.
Got a bunch of these blue sleds over there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
that was nice. That looked like a whale on the beach.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Belbo, you stupid.
This stuff's sticking to the snow. The straws.
I dare you.
You dare me to?
Wait, zoom.
Don't dare me to, because I'll do it.
It's the abominable snowman.
If you want it, you got it.
Payback.
Come on up here closer. Come on, flea bag. Come on, flea bag.
Come on, Becky, come down with her.
Oh, I hope that wasn't his finger in between.
Yeah, that's what you need to do. I got a bunch of them blue things over there. Fire the lawnmower up, man. Start dragging them things up and down, pack it down.
Like a ski lift.
Thanks, I don't want to hear it.
Well, you guys are such
And don't look at
Olympians.
me like that either, because I really don't care.
Oh, I don't either. You're 17 and think
You
you're
gonna
80.
sled ride? You just gonna stand out here and look forward.
Go.
Hold up.
Way good.
I'm going to drink it because no one will buy it.
All right, we're about halfway at the storm. Through the storm, and the count is, what is it? 7?
11.
Oh, 11. And we're not even halfway through this storm. Ha ha. Yeah, you have to take 3 and then take the average.
Twelve and a half.
Ooh, getting deeper.
What time is it? We're still jamming today?
Probably not.
11 and a half.
Huh?
11 and a half.
So average is about 12.
Where you spot on that? 11 and a half.
So we got about a foot. And we'll do this again at the end of the storm. It's a good one.
Check the snowboard track. Got her on there. 2 inches of new snow.
All right. We're doing it the scientific way.
Yeah, that's back to the right.
All right. I'm getting cold. Goodbye. Look all the snow, Lucy.
Mommy!
What?
Come here.
Come help Lucy, Maria.
Try to help her walk through this.
Move the sled out of the way. That's good.
I think I'll trip it out. Snow in my shoes. Snow in my boots. I think I'll have to pick you up. Put you in the snow. Come on, over here. Hold my hand, okay? Hold my hand.
What's the matter, Lucy?
There's too much snow for me. Here, hold my hand and I'll help you. Hold my. And then last time. Make a snowman. Try to make the snow over. Please. Cold. 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 Still cold. Oh my. Too much. I hope we won't have school on Tuesday. Cold, cold. I'm stuck. No, I'm not. Gosh, it comes up to my snow angel and fall down.
Where?
Okay. Down. Mommy.
Wow, you did that? Beautiful.
Wow. Like a snow angel. No. Here. Yes. No. Yes.
You do it, sure how?
I don't know how. Show me. Don't just stand there. Okay, I'll make a snow angel. Okay, you want
Trying to help
fall?
you. Ow, that looked like it hurt. Are you okay?
I fell.
Did she want you to do it again?
No, not again. I just got a headache.
It just gave you a headache?
My brain jiggled. I don't think it's supposed to do that.
I don't think so either. All right, let's see you do it now.
I can't.
Why? You don't want to make your brain jiggle?
I think
Okay,
my
I'll
brain's
blame you.
just loose around my head. It goes. I keep falling down in the snow. That's because there's too much.
And this is where Tina left her coat to dry after she was sledding a little bit earlier. Good idea.
Uh-huh. You are playing in the snow. No, the castle. What castle? Like that one. No. Let's see. Here, I gotta get some. I forgot it's not.
That was awesome.
I know. I'm a snowboarding champion.
Yeah, you're an Olympian.
Oh!
All right, ready, set, go. Great, great job.
So sweaty now. How do I let you?
I don't think that one slides too good. The snow's too deep.
Go. Go. I'm on my let you.
Maria the speed demon. Try the red one. All right, let Lucy ride with you. All right, Lucy, go catch her, catch her. Go, Lucy, go.
Jump onto it. Yes. Sit on. Get on the. Go, Lucy, go. Okay.
No, because she's going to go sliding backwards.
Thank you.
Is that better?
I thought she fell down the hill. That would be funny. I want to try my nice sea. This is a nice sea.
Go, Lucy, go!
Can I put this down?
Oh, sorry.
Lucy!
The snow's too powdery to make snowballs. It's too powdery.
I know. I can't even make snowballs. I wish I could get my I'm like, oh no! I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Oh! I'm Japanese.
It's a hard walk. Why?
I'm one of those Japanese people that carry things on their heads.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Go, Lucy, go! Go, Nana, go! Go, Lucy, go! Go, Rebecca, go! Anna, Alice.
Come on, old boys. Let's
Old boy, get her done. The measuring job.
I saw some shovelers down there. He's going to put them to work.
He's not even right on the pad that he was in.
Hey, that's not, no. Well, that's where the path was for the snowmobiles.
Measure my roof. Right there it is.
All right, go find some
by
clean
that
snow.
swing set where nobody was and measured.
Every morning again, we have
Yeah, I know.
still operating fairly normally. We have some a handful of delays as we hold some equipment back, but these 25 minutes, that's a sweet. And you'll find that we have service up and down the northeast corridor all day today. Where we're running into problems are
28 on the roof?
areas south of
All right, now measure some clean snow we haven't been into.
cancellations on all Florida trains all day today and into tomorrow morning. That'll include the auto trains. In addition, the Crescent, which serves Atlanta and New Orleans from Washington, is canceled. The Capital Limited.
25 and a half there? 29 and a half? Damn.
Hell yeah.
The Capital Limited, just to be clear, is the one that goes to Chicago, right?
Absolutely right, Jeff.
So that's about what we got, huh?
29 and a half inches.
Berkeley Springs got 37.
2 hours, is that probably?
All right.
It's going to be more frequent than that. With the cancellations that we had on our Florida service, we were able to reassign those crews to Northeast Corridor trains, so we'll be able to provide more frequent.
34 there. Well, that's where they plowed.
Still more trains,
34
cars.
there.
You said you lengthened them so that you can carry a lot more folks.
Yeah, we're constantly evaluating our equipment and the capacity of these trains. Today's schedule was always planned to be backloaded. In other words, increase the
Wow.
through the day, which is typically what we do with holiday weekends. We look at the afternoons returning from the long 3-day weekend. That'll also work to our advantage with
All right.
moves out of
Snowstorm of 2003.
For people because of the train station, and we'll have more service.
Once again, are people still required to have reservations?
Oh, for the cleanup.
The cleanup begins.
Yes. And it's a big job.
The Jeep you would not believe.
Having fun? Poor Cam's got to go to work tonight. Looking forward to it.
That's what they think. We shall see.
We lost Maria. Maria! We lost her in the snow. Where are you?
There's someplace.
There you are. Hi.
Hello.
Having fun?
What?
Can you find the car under there?
A little bit.
Jesus, flips.
Hard to even walk in this.
Oh God.
Too much snow.
You should see how the Jeep is from the plows going by.
There's the Jeep.
Oh gosh, don't say I have to do that too.
Yep.
Better not.
What are you doing out there with the video? Get
Documenting what
me
happened.
these cars.
Where? That big pile right
I
there?
don't know what that is in front of the mailbox, and I tell everybody not to park in front.
Unbelievable.
Is that a big
Glad
pile of
the mail
snow?
didn't go today.
I don't think we would have had any.
I need to sit down. But not here.
Trying to dig out the Jeep. At least you're able to find the Jeep.
Everybody's just out shoveling snow.
I got the whole entire side of the car.
In the school hill for some serious sledding. Order up. Some serious sledding. I think it's too steep. What are you doing, Lucy? What are you doing?
Okay. Here, I'll hold it up. Get my crap.
Get back, Lucy.
Maria was dragging her foot.
Oh, you're not supposed to drag your foot. This is the hill where Tina busted her ass and acquired her famous second ass. Here goes Russell, attempting suicide. Make it a good one for the camera.
Yeah, right. It's already starting outside.
Probably not. Not too bad.
eating snow.
Hi, Maria. Hi, Lucy.
Mommy, you gotta get this one.
Who's that? There goes Justin.
I'm gonna stand up and go down.
Make it good.
He's gonna snowboard down. Watch it.
He's stuck. Y'all only seem to make it that far. Your turn, Tina.
Yeah, I'm coming up. Mommy, someone, help.
You ready, Stevie? Done?
Hey,
Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, hit this part right here.
Oh, you're starting off at the easy part. I don't blame you.
Oh.
All right. Oh, you're using the big sled and standing up? Oh, my God. Go, Tina, go. Go, go, go. Yay! That's the longest one yet. Avalanche.
whoa, not me.
Yeah, I know. He's been doing it all day.
Yay, Lucy.
Okay, you go to me, Dad. With you.
That way, Maria.
You hit me.
He did better than I did.
A sled.
Oh, man.
Mommy, she doesn't want to sled with me.
Got it on tape.
Mommy, she said she wants to sled with you. Not me, okay?
All right, then you get to bring the sled back up twice. Whoa! Go get it.
No, you can sit right there and grab it.
Dumb and Dumber.
Do you think I should stand or sit?
Almost landed. Did that hurt, Russell? It's close.
Get a hold of the rope. Ready?
The good thing about these slippers is you slip all the way down.
Was that fun? Lucy's sinking.
I'm sliding with you, go!
Yeah. Hauling that thing in her.
I'm sliding with you,
Well,
go!
Well, I gotta get my breath.
I'm sliding with you, Mommy!
Watch out, kid. Watch out.
Clear the path. Never mind.
Yep.
Mommy!
Oh, that was a bumpy ride.
Lucy's having as much as I have.
Try it again, Lucy.
Let me make it up.
At first. Hey, Lucy. Are you climbing that snow mountain? Wow, Maria is king of the mountain.
Did you take me going down from here?
No, because you were on the other side.
Huh?
No, because you were on the other side. I couldn't see you.
Oh,
Do it again.
Screaming?
Yep.
Pepper still on her. Stick to me. Can I throw
Now
snow?
slide down, Lucy.
Lucy, duck. She did too. Lucy, duck again.
Stop.
Pansy. I think I'm the monkey and she's the gorilla.
Oh, see, isn't that
I
cool?
need my clothes back on. I need my clothes back on.
Okay.
Mommy,
You ready?
see me from here?
Yep.
What? Did I do it?
Stomach first.
Huh?
Do stomach first.
No! I am not doing it. Stomach first.
We'll do it somehow because you're wasting my tape.
I need a little help.
Oh my God.
Come on. You want to get check out this other door?
You're getting there, Lucy. Just keep trying. Oh, that was good. Come on, Lucy. Start walking.
That blue sled.
Come on. Here you come.
Mommy.
Give me that one now.
Come on, Lucy. Come this way.
Emma.
It's a long walk. It's a real long walk.
Emma, take it.
Come on.
Go, Tina, go, Tina. Go, Tina.
Good.
Where's my glove?
Thirsty work. You doing it again, Tina?
I don't know. Let me see that for a minute.
I just walked up that hill. I ain't ready to walk up it right now.
A beautiful view up here.